Rivian ready to ramp up EDV. Rivian is eager to begin ramping up the production and deliveries of its electric delivery van EDV, which has been used exclusively by Amazon for several years. It realizes it will have to explore customers outside of the e-commerce giant to justify the ramp-up, as it will need more customers. During yesterday's Q2 earnings call, Rivian revealed the EDV will be a bigger part of its business in the future. Granted, it has the demand for all electric delivery vans. Ford's Transit and Mercedes-Benz's Sprinter van have both been electrified, and apart from those two models, there are not too many options in terms of EV vans for suitable businesses to buy. Rivian wants to change that. After several years of a successful partnership with Amazon, the EDV has proven itself to be a good option for deliveries. It has expanded all across the United States after initially being available in just a handful of regions, and over 15,000 units have been used by Amazon for deliveries in the US. However, Rivian wants more from the EDV and is planning to bring more companies on board. Now that the early stages of testing is over, and the vehicle has proven itself to be a formidable competitor in the space, Amazon announces milestones within Rivian EDV fleet. Rivian CEO RJ Scaring said, and this focus on pilots is really reflective of the nature of this business, where these are large decisions around large numbers of vehicles for a lot of these bigger fleets, and it's appropriate that we build effective working models for how the vehicles are serviced, what digital support the vehicles have, what infrastructure changes are necessary for each respective fleet. In December 2023, Rivian said it would partner with AT to bring the EDV to its first non-Amazon customer. Hardman Williams, the SVP at ATT Connected Solutions, said, "We're excited to purchase Rivian EVs for our fleet. This pilot is another important step in our ongoing efforts towards sustainability, reducing our carbon footprint, and embracing a cleaner future for our operations." Who else would be a suitable partner for Rivian and the EDV? Perhaps FedEx or UPS would use the van and find it suitable for next-day and priority deliveries. FedEx currently uses a non-electric Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.